Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that you click on right hand side, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of your motherboard. X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7, just enter it. Then click on the product. So this is your motherboard, just click on it. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. So first guys download, after that show you how to install. So audio driver first, you can see HD audio driver and click to download. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading here. Okay, then chipset. So AMD chipset driver, you can see, and click to download. After that start downloading, slow down. Then LAN driver. So same, click to download. This is download icon, and then Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Media talk means both same. Otherwise you can install the separate also available. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can see. So installations process same. So try to install the separate. So this is download icon and this is also download icon. Just click it. It will open the new tab and it will start downloading. Then USB driver, this is also important to your motherboard, so click on it. Only one single driver it will show, so you can see USB driver and click to download. After that start downloading all and just click to this icons where it is downloading, it will open, then show you how to install the driver. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back. Then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back. Then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back. Then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart, so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.